Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Baking by Hannah. I'm going to go on a trip to Ipoh and Taiping, and I'm going to bring you along with me. Right now I'm just walking out the door. Here I am in the car. The journey takes about 3 hours to get to Ipoh. And now after 3 hours of traveling, we're finally here in Ipoh. We have finally arrived in Ipoh and the house looks really nice. I just got back from lunch and it was so good. I had fried chicken, white rice, and some beans. Now it is the evening, so we're going to go to some sort of park and we're going to play football. Now we're gonna go out to dinner. I woke up at 7 and now we're gonna have some breakfast. We're going over to Taiping to my uncle's house. Officially in Taiping now. We went to visit my uncle and auntie's house and we had tea there and it was fun. And then we came back and now we're gonna go out for dinner and then go back home. We've had dinner and now we're heading home.
How's the food?
I'll probably go to bed about midnight. And now after 2 days and 1 night of traveling, we are finally back home. It's been a wonderful trip. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Baking by Hannah. I can only continue doing videos like this if people subscribe.